Hello students, today we will discuss class 11 maths, and today we have a topic Venn diagram chapter 1 and also operation on set. So we have already discussed about the type of sets. Now today first we will discuss Venn diagram. So what is Venn diagram? Venn diagram is a representation of a set by the point on the closed curve. Clear? Means we are representing a given set by a closed curve. Clear? So first of all, one by one I will explain you the representation of this Venn diagram, and then one by one the operation on the set also and their Venn diagram. Clear? तो हम लोग Venn diagram के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. So first we have this kind of rectangular structure, and this rectangular structure is represented in Venn diagram as a union. ये किसको डिनोट करता है? रेक्टेंगुलर स्ट्रक्चर, यूनिवर्सल सेट, सॉरी यूनिवर्सल सेट. क्लियर? तो यूनिवर्सल सेट हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. क्लियर है? एक सर्कल आपको मिलेगा लाइक दिस. दिस सर्कल इज इंडिकेटिंग सेट. दिस इज इंडिकेटिंग सेट, and element of inside is the alphabet I have written inside of this, that is the element of this set. Clear? ये इस सेट के एलिमेंट्स हैं, तो ये इसके अंदर लिखे हैं. इसका मतलब ये इस सेट को बिलोंग करते हैं. सपोज आई राइट इट एज ए, सेट ए. सो सेट ए contain A, B, C and D. Clear? So these elements lies inside of the set. Clear? Okay. Now the operation on the set. Operation on set, first is union. Union. Clear? Of sets. Means, what I mean the union of set, let A and B two sets, A and B being two set. Clear? The union of A and B is the set of all those elements which belongs to either to A or B or to both of them. Clear? A and B means we are selecting all the elements of set A, also set B, and the common element of set A and B. But one thing we have to remember, that the common elements take only once. Means जो common elements हैं आप उन्हें सिर्फ एक ही बार collect करेंगे. If you collecting these common elements from A, then you will not collecting these elements from B. एक से आप collect कर चुके हैं elements को, फिर B से नहीं करेंगे अगर common elements को. Clear? So the notation, how we notify that? So A, and this is the symbol U, B, A union B, and read it as A union B. Clear? So A union B as a roster form, a set bundle form, I will write it as X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. So this X either belongs to A or belongs to B. Clear? So it is clearly that X belongs to both of them. A union B, it implies that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. If any element does not belongs to A union B, it implies that x does not belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. Clear? Now we can understand it by an example. We have two set A 1 2 and B is 1 3 5 7. So we have to find A union B. So easily we can find 1 and 2, both element of set A. 1 we have already taken out, so now we will take 3 5 and 7. Clear? So the elements in A union B is a both element of A as well as all element of set B also. Clear? But the common element will take ones. Clear? So this is A union B. Now Venn diagram of union. Venn diagram of union. So how will draw the Venn diagram? Again I explain you that first of all we have to draw this universal set, because all set is the subset of universal set, and one set is this A, another set is this B. Clear? So set A containing 1 and 2, so 1 and 2, and set B containing 3 5 and 7. क्लियर? सो 1 को मैंने इस कॉमन रीजन के अंदर लिखा है, तो इट मीन्स 1 इज कॉमन इन बोथ ऑफ देम, बट दिस इज द यूनियन. इफ आई ड्रॉ इट बाय अनदर कलर, so this is the union, means all element inside of this figure. Clear? So elements we have inside of the figure is 1 2 3 5 and 7. Clear? So the union is this. Clear? And this is universal set. Clear? Next is intersection. Intersection, A and B are two sets. The intersection of A and B is the set of all those elements that are belongs to A and B. Means both, we have select only those elements which belongs to both of them, A as well as B. Clear? So we can understand by an example, but before this I will like to introduce the denotation, how we denote this. So we can denote this by A intersection inverted U B, and it is read as A intersection B. Clear? Okay, thus if we have A intersection B, so we can read it as X is belongs to A and X is belongs to B. In previous we write, instead of and we write or. Clear? So it means X is belongs to A as well as at B. Clear? Common both of them. So select common elements. We can say intersection is a selecting of common elements from the both set. Clear? Okay. So we can understand by an example. Suppose that we have a set given. Example, A is given. We will take same set 1 comma 2, B is 1 3 5 and 7. Clear? Okay, so we will find out A intersection B. So obviously we will find what? The common element. Clear? So what is the common element? 1 is common element of both of them. So 1 is the solution of this intersection B. Clear? Now Venn diagram of this. So again universal set. Clear? And the common region can be denoted as, first of all, this set A, this is set B, clear, and the common region is this is called A intersection B, clear. So we have what, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, so common region is 1, so that is our answer, clear. Now next is intersection. Intersection we have done already, and there also disjoint sets. Now next, disjoint set. Two set A and B is said to be disjoint set if A intersection B is phi. Means two sets is said to be intersection if there is no common element between them. Clear? कोई भी common element नहीं होगा, इसको हम लोग disjoint set कहते हैं. Clear है? So suppose that we have a set A is containing A, B and C, and B is set containing 1, 2. So we know that the intersection of both of them is phi. Phi means null set. Clear? So this is disjoint set, means if there is no common element between them. So how we denote this? By Venn diagram. So Venn diagram of this set is, one set is this A and another set is this B. Set A containing A, B and C, and set B containing 1, 2. Clear? Now next is difference of a set. Difference of set. Let A and B, two sets, the difference of set A and B written as A minus B is the set of all those elements of A which do not belongs to B. Clear? So what? We have two set A and B. In these two set, A minus B is the indication, is a set in which it is collecting only the elements of A, and which element, which does those does not belongs to B. Clear? Means A minus B उन एलिमेंट को कलेक्ट करेगा जो B से बिलोंग नहीं करते होंगे. Clear? So we will understand by an example. A minus B, clear, is equal to X such that X is belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Clear? Or A minus B, also we can say X belongs to A, clear, but X does not belongs to B. So we can write it as one example. A is containing 1, 2, 3 and B is containing 3, 4, 5. So we have to find A minus B. So A minus B, first of all the common elements is cancel out, means we will not take the common elements. Clear? So 1, 2, 1, 2 is the answer of A minus B. Clear? Now Venn diagram of B. So the Venn diagram of A minus B is, first of all we will draw a universal set. In this universal set, two sets are combining like that. So this portion, the common portion is this. We does not take the common portion as well as the portion of B. So this is A minus B. Clear? If we have B minus A, so similarly B minus A we can write it as, again this diagram, and which portion? This portion only. Clear? Now the complement of set. So the complement of set means the complement of given set. Suppose that we have to find the complement of A. Clear? So the set A is a subset of union. Clear? We know that every set is a subset of union. So we are finding the complement of A. So it is denoted by A dash, A complement, and also we can write it as U minus A. Clear? U minus A, and define as the set of all those elements of U which does not belongs to A. Means A complement is the set of all those elements which does not belongs to A. क्लियर? जो A में नहीं होंगे उसके अलावा जितना भी हम सेट बनाएंगे वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट होगा. क्लियर? सो A dash is equal to X is belongs to universal set, sorry, and X does not belongs to A. X किसको बिलोंग करेगा? सेट कलेक्शन यूनिवर्सल सेट को, बट X does not belongs to A. Clear? So we can take an example. A is a collection of 1, 2, 3 and up to 10, and A is a set which containing 1, 2 and 3. So A complement can be written as 1, 2, 3. ये तो cancel out हो गए, will not take these. So the elements 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Clear? So A complement is a set of all elements which does not belongs to A. Clear? And the Venn diagram of this is again universal set, and this is set A. So accept universal set, accept all such collection of all those elements which does not belongs to A, means the setted portion is this. This is the A complement. All the elements outside of this set. Clear? So we have already discussed about the operation of set. Clear? So this is in next video. I will explain you some problem related to this and law of algebra of sets. Clear?